Mom at dad dito sa gilid.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon. Welcome to our Friday session. Welcome to ISB Shuttle. By the way, so we have newcomers or new trainees for today. So this Friday is what a body session. So you are encouraged to find a partner for you to join today. But if you don't have, that's okay also. So again, let us welcome our newcomers. We have Ruben, can we introduce your partner in front to everybody? Okay, let us listen to Ruben. Ruben now will introduce her partner or the new member of the group. Listen.
Hi guys, this is my friend. We know each other for 7 years. We're neighbors. Her name is Yovella. She goes to Zachar Private School.
Yeah, Yovella.
Yovella. Okay, welcome Yovella to SB Shuttle Group.
Yeah.
Introduce your partner. Come here.
This is Chelsea. We're schoolmates for like 5 years.
Manahil? Oh, to Manahil now. Hello.
Feels bad.
Huh?
Chelsea.
Chelsea. Okay.
Welcome.
Chelsea. Liam, kindly introduce your partner.
This is my brother Mason.
Okay, so his name is Mason.
Okay, Mason. Mason?
Yeah.
Mason.
Yay!
So welcome to the club. I hope you will enjoy our afternoon session today. By the way, we don't have extensive training today. Please step forward. Yeah, Andy, move forward. Andy. Okay, Andy, move forward. Stay. Stop. Dennis, move forward. Jason, move forward. Jason. Okay, Jenna. Move forward. Okay, Andy. Move forward. Hey, move forward. Lee, move forward. That's it. Follow me. So we'll go with this one. Okay, side step on me, ha? Side step. Okay, put your hands to the back. 5, 4, 3 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, stop. Okay, relax. Okay, boys face here. Girls face there. Okay. Boys will go on the left side. Sideward. And then girls here, right. Sideward. This one. Move your line. Left, right side. Okay, ready? Hands over your back. 5, 4, Tito, go. Move there. Arvin there. Move, slow step. Give some space, spacing. Move there. Okay, put your hands at your back. And then you will move forward, but you need to make sure that you need to what? Okay? Ready? 5, 4, need to go. Higher. This line, in and out. In. How about doubles? In or out? In. This is inside. Inside. Yes? Okay. How about this one? This is the center line of the word. We have, what is this? For the forward. Closer. Okay, what is this?
Arvin!
This is the right. Arvin. Listen, because in the tournament you should memorize this one. Okay? The umpire, the referee will not take out of the inside the court. Okay? So, the court, this is the half side of the court, the other half is there with your opponent. Okay? The half side of the court, it divides that line, the center line divides into two. Okay? We have, this is the center, this is the right side of the court, this is the left. Okay? Yes? Right service court, left service court. The opposite side, if you will the one to serve, that one is the receiving court. Right receiving court, left receiving court. Yes? 4, 6, 8, 10, serve on the right. If your score is odd, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, serve on the left. Okay? Memorize your score. Do not like the score of the opponent. Just memorize the score. Okay, example. I will go to serve. My score is 3. Which court I'm going to serve? If my score is 6. Right. Okay, yes. Okay, now we will have to play now the basic. Okay, the rest, go back first. Okay, the side. Okay, it's what Score 1-1.
Encourage mom at dad dito sa gilid.
Okay. Okay. 4, 7.
Yes. Yay! Yay! Huli ka, Balbon! Anong ginagawa mo dyan? It's dirty, Arvin! Okay, don't stay there. It's dirty! Hi! Daniel and Gelsey. Rihanna is here. Medyo matagal na konti. What can you say, Rihanna? How's the experience?
The experience so far is good. I enjoy a lot and I learn a lot. Usually I get tired.
Usually you get tired. So anong masasabi mo kay Aniel at saka kang Gelsey?
They're learning.
They're learning. Why did you join? Yeah. Gelsey, you're playing before? You're playing na before?
And the other.
Ah, you're from the other cup. So you saw them, some.
Yeah. So what will you say? I say that.
How about Aniel? Aniel got tired daw last time.
Yeah, I was tired last time ko kasi yung sapatos ko, matigas at mali.
Ah,
Yung sabi mo, bawal yung mga...
yeah. So next session, if you will come, and you have the badminton shoes na.
Sige po.
Yeah.
Tagalog.
Tagal.
And for those, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have. Ulit. Okay, straight left, over right. Okay. This one. Oh, left. Everyone, follow. Other side. Straight.